So that's when we reach to the point of disrespect. Kishima, me a bad boy. Chance time, them and a bad boy. Chance time, them a follow backer and gopher.
But let me ask you this though.
Chance time can't see me nowhere.
No violence, Foota. We not promote no violence.
No, me not promote violence. I'm just saying him can't do it. And before them got jail, him couldn't do it.
No.
Cartel, this whole per selector, you ever hear Cartel put him on for me? I make nobody put them on for me. So oh you go do song for me. I'm a bad man for real. Him should have go do a song off of Deborah Brat. Answer, defend the Gaza. You're a coward.
No, all right. Me hear you, Foota, but you're very outspoken. You never yet mince your words or anything. But who actually holds Foota hype accountable when you cross the line or you get it wrong?
All right. I have people who tell me the truth all the time. I will try reason. You have Buggy, where one of my elder, where me and him will chop it up. And if him tell me something will make sense, yeah. And I like me agree to everything what him say. Then you have Father Rev, and you have couple people. But the thing, you know, Kishima, if you don't know the truth and the story, you can't advise me.